In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience. Today we will discuss about political science MCQs of CSS past paper 2000. So welcome to Dawn Times. The first MCQs is Leviathan was written by Hegel, James Mill, Thomas Hobbes, and J.S. Mill. So Leviathan was a famous book written by Western philosopher Thomas Hobbes, and founder of utilitarian school of thought was Jeremy Bentham. So Bentham was also a Western political philosopher. And John Locke laid down that state is an unavoidable evil. And also political philosophy furnished basis for popular sovereignty. And how many essentials are required to constitute a state. So there are four essential features. The first one is population, second one is territory, and third one is sovereignty, and the last one is government. So these four essentials are required to constitute a modern state. And Laissez faire policy means withdrawal of some restrictions. And materialistic interpretation of history was propounded by Karl Marx. And fascism as a political theory originated in Italy while Nazism originated in Germany. And Plato wrote a famous book, The Laws. And strong emphasis on justice was laid by Aristotle. The Spirit of Laws was a famous book written by John Locke, J.S. Mill, and Hume, so none of these. And God has made this world a place for work and labor is the famous quotation of Muslim philosopher Al-Ghazali. And philosophic calculus was the contribution of Jeremy Bentham. The theory of group mind was enunciated by Ibn Khaldun, a Muslim philosopher, and the theory of surplus value as a part of communistic philosophy was the contribution of Karl Marx. And Hobbesian social contract is based on desire for peace. And importance of civil service has grown due to increased state activity. The activity has increased due to surge in population explosion, and which political theory propounded that state will ultimately disappear. So it is communism. Communism is a philosophy in which everything belongs to the whole community, just like socialism, in which everything belongs to the whole society. And The Art of War is written by Sun Tzu. It is a famous book in which your techniques and tricks of war has been mentioned. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Kindly like and subscribe Dawn Times. If you have any question, you can ask below in comment section. So stay tuned and blessed. Thank you so much.